In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ometv camera not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, maybe you have denied the access of your camera to this website. So what you want to do is to simply go to your camera settings. So we go to Google Chrome settings. Now you want to go to privacy and security. Now you want to go to site settings. Just select site settings here. Now select Ometv. Make sure that your camera is not blocked. So just select allow. Now I want to go back to Ometv and just simply reload the page. So we're still denied. So just click on the camera icon here and just select always allow. Now click on done and just as you can see, my camera is now turned on. So if in any case it's still not working for you, maybe your camera is running in the background. So make sure that there are no apps such as example is like OBS or any other messaging apps. Maybe you're using your camera in those apps. So what you want to do is to simply close that apps and go back to Ometv and reload the page. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.